Blitz RSI Div Plus, The Complete Guide, Episode 2, Installation and Recommended Settings. In this episode, we cover just two things: how to install the indicator and what values to use on each time frame, from the 1 minute up to the 4-hour. Here's the punchline. Installation takes 30 seconds, and setup means changing only 3 values. First, installation. Open the Pine editor below your TradingView chart, paste in the full indicator code, save, and click Add to Chart. When the dashboard and the chart labels appear, you're installed. For recording or just a cleaner screen, do 2 more things. First, in the Visuals group, turn on Presentation mode. It hides the small warning labels, enlarges the key labels, and thickens the trade plan lines. Second, use the eye icon next to the indicator name or the right-click menu to hide the top status line so that long settings text stops covering your most recent candle. Now the settings. At the top of the settings window, in the preset group, choose Best One Reversal for an entry chart. The trade plan, the entry stop, and target lines is now on by default in every preset, so you don't need to touch it. Below that, each override has 3 states. Follow preset obeys the preset. Force on turns it on regardless, and force off forces it off. By default, I recommend keeping the higher time frame dashboard and the support resistance zones on force on. When you change time frame, you really only change 3 values. 1. The pivot left and right in the Divergence group. The larger this number, the bigger the highs and lows it requires, so fewer signals. 2. The cancel bars in the ladder group. If the next piece of evidence doesn't arrive within this many bars of a stage 1 candidate, the signal is canceled as stale. 3. The first and second check timeframes in the filter group, the 2 higher timeframes above your current chart. Change just these 3 to match your time frame. Start with the 1 minute. It has the most noise, so we use large pivots, 10 and 10 to begin. If you get too many signals, raise it to 12 or 14. Set the cancel bars short, at 30, that's 30 minutes, so old candidates don't complete late. For the higher time frames, use 15 minutes and 1 hour. Just remember, on the 1 minute, fees and slippage matter a lot, so treat this as a precision entry aid, not your main trading time frame. The 15-minute is this indicator's main recommended entry chart, pivots of 7 and 7 balance speed and noise. The cancel bars are 48, that's 12 hours. If the next stage doesn't arrive within 12 hours of stage 1, it's canceled. For higher time frames, use 1 hour and 4 hours, that is 60 and 240. Several good setups a day with manageable noise, the sweet spot for day trading. The 1 hour is the default. In other words, the state you just installed, you don't have to change anything. Pivots of 6 and 6, cancel bars of 72, and the higher time frames of 4-hour and daily are already set. The daily is entered as a capital D. If you want a swing view, watching 1 or 2 signals a day with room to breathe, just use the 1 hour as is. The 4 hours for confirming the bigger direction rather than fine entries, so I recommend switching the preset to Best 2 Trend. Use pivots of 5 and 5, cancel bars of 100 to give it room, and higher time frames of daily and weekly. Decide the big direction on the 4-hour, then find same direction entries on the 1 hour or 15-minute. That way your higher and entry time frames line up naturally. Finally, 3 tuning rules. 1, too many signals, raise the pivots. Too few, lower them. 2, if old stage 1s keep completing late, lower the cancel bars. If good swings get canceled before they finish, raise them. 3, never change several values at once. Change only the pivots or the cancel bars. Then compare. In Episode 3, we'll break down the 3 best presets and what every core input actually changes, one by one.